Hi there, my name's Ron Waller with Viking Solutions. Today we're going to be showing you a new spinner target that we've developed. It's made from an AR500 10mm steel plate, has a 6-inch and a 10-inch target panel. It pivots on a 12mm diameter steel bar. Today we're going to give it a run through with a good old Springfield Armory standard M1A caliber and .308 Winchester. We're also going to shoot it with an AR-15 and 5.56 NATO. Going to be lots of fun, so stand by and watch this new product in action.